Hello guys, welcome to Magical Drawing Adventure where you guys can learn and drawing together with me. Alright, in today's video we're going to draw edamame. Alright, let's jump to the paper together. Okay, alright, and the first one we need to make this shape, like a curved shape like this and then like this. But at the first I suggest you to make a circle, like half circle. So at first I need you to make something like this first. So alright, you can see you make something like this, and then next one you make something like this again. Alright, then after that you do the same thing here, something like this. Okay, so now you have these three curve line. Then after that you go with this line, so I will put a dot here and then also a dot here. So from here I make it like this one, all the way like this. Okay, then until like this. Okay, right. After that you can make this line like this. So from here, so make it a curved line like this, then connect to this side. Alright, connect to this side like this. Okay, after that from here connect to here, but the line will be at the back of this circle, so will be something like this. So from here like this, then from here connect to here, then all the way here, then the last one is from here connect to this corner. Right, connect. Alright, I think I will go to the fun part. So because this is like we have a three edamame, so I will give this one expression. So from here I will give like just black like this, will be enough. Alright, then this one also black here. After that I will go for the mud shape like this, smiley one. Alright, then give a teeth here and a tongue here. Alright, and then after that I go to the next one is here, just give us like a circle, maybe one. Right, then after that you go with right, smiley expression. Then the last part we need to make this the same, also eyes here and then also here. Alright, I think the next one I will give something like that, the mud shape. Right, it will be different with the other. Alright, okay, I think that's the edamame shape. So I will coloring this and then you can follow this video. Let's go. Alright guys, this is the final result of edamame. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys learning something today, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye guys. Thank you so much.